amigo. Now, amigo is going to try something even more difficult this time round. He's going to count 1 to 10 in Chinese.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And how? Yes, that means very good in Chinese. Now, amigo is also quite a singer. He knows how to sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. Now, the first song he's going to sing is going to be a Mandarin song that's entitled Current Light. It simply means when a guest comes to visit. You know the song? Okay, very good. Now, amigo, would you like to sing the song in Mandarin?
Current light, hot, pop, 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 wood, yeah, yeah, wood, current, God, yeah, light,
Yes, very good singing over there. Very good. Good boy. Now, for those seated in front, you can see the amigo beak is moving, right? Yes, I'm not a ventriloquist. All of this is live, done by the bird himself. Okay, very good. Now, moving on to the second song. Now, amigo is going to sing a Malay song.